bankruptcy is actually an ability for you to get a fresh start within 90 days. Now, the focus of a Chapter 7 bankruptcy generally is to liquidate any assets you have above the exemptions. Now, a lot of people come to me and they say, wait a minute, I don't want to lose my house, I don't want to lose my car, are they going to come take my clothes? What about my wedding ring? I mean, these are some of the things that people have worries about. No, they're not going to come to your house and check everything that you own. No, they're not going to take your car if you want to keep it. No, they're not going to take your house, again, if you want to keep it. Some of the key questions to ask yourself if a Chapter 7 is right for you is, number one, do I have a house that's paid off? If your house is totally paid off, Chapter 7 is not your option. If you have a house that has a mortgage on it, and maybe you have $20,000 of equity in it, possibly $30,000 of equity in it, you probably still qualify for a Chapter 7 because that equity will be protected by the exemptions. But again, those specific issues need to be discussed directly with your attorney. But before you completely dismiss a Chapter 7, have a sit-down discussion with your attorney to go over what assets you do have, what property might be above the exemption, for you to really get an analysis of whether Chapter 7 is the perfect fit for you. I always, if possible, recommend a 7 because it's a quicker, fast start, complete fresh start, if you will, within 90 days versus a payment plan in a Chapter 13 that may take 3 to 5 years. So I always recommend discussing all of your options and really looking at your particular situation, and then based on those facts of your personal situation, the right decision will come to you. I really appreciate your time and attention. Now, if I haven't answered all of your questions via these video series, and if you have any more questions, please contact me directly. I'm happy to give you that free consultation, and if possible, and if you retain me, we can move forward. I can be a part of your solution.